Welcome everyone. I hope you have solved the first exercise and are very well familiarized with the concepts of sequence and the arithmetic progression. So today we will learn about nth term of an AP. So here by knowing how to find nth term, you can find out how many terms are there in an AP, or what is the next coming term, or what will be the 100th term of an AP. So see this AP 7, 12, 17, 22 and 27 and so on. So you can actually find out the common difference by watching the sequence. So common difference is 5. See here, first term T1 is 7. First term is also written by the symbol A or T1. You can use any letter. So 7, then D is 5. Second term T2 is 12. Then T2 is obtained by adding 5 to the first term. So T2 is T1 plus 5. So which is 7 plus 5, 12. Now for T3 is 17. You can see T3 is obtained by adding 5 to the second term. So T3 is T2 plus D. So again here T2 is T1 plus D. So I will write T1 plus D in place of T2. So here 17 is obtained by adding 5 to the 12. See here, 17 is obtained by adding 5 to this term, and 12 is obtained by adding 5 to this term. So 17 is obtained by adding 5 2 times into this term, right? So T1 plus 2 times the difference is 17. So see here, T1 plus 2 times the difference is 17. So 7 plus 2 times 5 is 17. So here is how T3 is found. So now T4 is 22. So T4 is T3 plus D. So T3 is T2 plus D. So T2 plus 2D, and now T2 is T1 plus D. So actually T4 is T1 plus 3D. Now this will be 7 plus 3 times the common difference, which is 15, which is 5. So 7 plus 3 times of 5, so it will be 22. Okay, so here is the logic behind the nth term of an AP. So here you can see T1 or first term is 7, T2 is T1 plus D, then T3 is T1 plus 2D, and T4 is T1 plus 3D, right? So if I am asked to find the 100th term, then what will I do? I will do T1 plus 99 times the common difference, right? So to find T1000th term, what I will do, T1 plus 999 into D, right? So see here, in general T4 is T1 plus 3D, T5 is T1 plus 4D, T6 will be T1 plus 5D, so T100 will be T1 plus 99D. So Tn will be T1 plus n minus 1D. So whatever the number here, this n, make one less number here. So n minus 1 into D. So T1 plus n minus 1 into D. So suppose if here is 8, then this will be 8 minus 1, which is 7. So T8 is T1 plus 7 times D, right? So formula for nth term is this: Tn equal to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. So now we will solve some problems. So first, decide whether following sequence is an AP, or if so, then find the 20th term of the progression: minus 2, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on, right? So this is an AP, and we have to tell first why this is an AP, and then find the 20th term, right? So write down T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on. So here T1 is minus 12, T2 minus 5, T3 2, T4 is 9 and so on. Okay, so to find out the common difference, T2 minus T1 is minus 5 minus 12. So it is minus 5 plus 12, so 7. Then T3 minus T2 is 2 minus minus 5, which is also 7. T4 minus T3 is 9 minus 2, which is also 7, and so on. By continuing this, we will get the difference between two consecutive terms is 7. Okay, so this is an AP because common difference is constant. Then to find the 20th term, we will use the formula for T20. Okay, so T1 is minus 12, D is 7, and N is 20. So Tn equal to T1 plus N minus 1D is the formula. Put down the value of N. So value of N is 20 because we need to find the 20th term. Okay, so N is 20. So T20 equal to T1 plus 19D. Right, 20 minus 1 is 19. So write down all the values of T1. T1 is minus 12 and D is 7. So minus 12 plus 19 into 7 is 111. So T20 is 111. Right. So here is the idea behind finding the nth term. So this is how we will solve the practice set 3.2. So here the 3.2's first questions are very similar to that of the 3.1. So we will directly solve the questions 6, 7 and 10. Okay. So question number 6 is find how many 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 5. Okay. So to find this, we actually need to find the number of terms, right? So n is here unknown. First term and last term we need to find out what are they. So and common difference is given, which is 5 because numbers are divisible by 5. So the difference between two numbers will be 5. Okay, so to proceed, the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 5 is 100, and the greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 5 is 995. Okay, so common difference is D, which is 5. So here we get our first term, which is T1 as 100. So here AP is 100, then 105, then 110, then 115, and so on up to the last term will be 995, and second last term is 990. Okay, so n, to find n we will use the formula of Tn, which is a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so Tn is 995, which is the last term, and we need to find n, and a is given 100, d is 5. So 995 equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. So put the 100 to the LHS, and by solving this we will get 895 upon 5, which is 199, and is the value of n minus 1. So n will be 200. Okay, so there are total 200 terms which are divisible by 5 and which are 3-digit numbers. So there are 200 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5. So here is the idea to solve the question number 6. Now the question number 7. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find the 41st term of the AP. So T11 is 16, T21 is 29, and T41 is unknown. Okay, so we will write down the formula for Tn. Tn is a plus n minus 1d. So T11 will be a plus 10d, and T29 will be a plus 20d. So put down the values of T11 and T29. So here is the first equation and here is our second equation. So now this is the problem of simultaneous linear equations. So by subtracting the equation 2 from 1, we will get the value of D as 1.3 and the value of A by substituting this T into equation 1, we will get as A equal to 3. So here first term is 3 and common difference is 1.3. So to find the T41, again use the formula for Tn. So A plus 40D, which is 3 plus 40 times of 1.3. So it is 3 plus 52 and so 55. So T41 is 55. So here is the idea behind this question. We used the formula for Tn 3 times here. So to find out the question's answer, T41 is 55. So next question and last question of this video is question number 10. T17 is 7 more than T10, then find the common difference. So see the question. I have compressed the question into equation like this. So T17 is a plus 16D, which is the value of T17. We will put down it into here and similarly find out the value of T10 as this formula and put this value of T10 here. So T10 is a plus 9D. So by substituting these values into this equation, we will get a plus 16D equal to 7 plus a plus 9D. So bring all the terms to the left side and put 7 on the RHS. So now by solving this, you will get 7D is equal to 7. So ultimately D equal to 1. So here we get the common difference as D equal to 1. So here is the end of this video. I have actually not solved the questions which are similar to this idea. So which are question number 8 and 9 are similar to this idea. So you can solve it on their own. Keep trying, keep solving. So thank you for watching.